The quickest way to add or remove presets within an amplifier is to use the preset manager found within ArmoníaPlus. With the amplifiers matched sitting within the workspace, select the ArmoníaPlus emblem found on the upper left-hand corner and select Preset Manager from the drop-down menu. Within the Preset Manager window, select which DSP style of amplifier is being configured. This can be found across the top section of the window. In this example, we will be selecting the X DSP. Below this, we can choose between snapshot and speaker presets. By selecting snapshots and clicking import, import a single snapshot into index 1. We will repeat this process for indexes 2 to 4. With the desired snapshot imported into indexes 1 to 4, we can choose to either apply this snapshot to a single amplifier by selecting the desired amplifier below within available devices and then clicking Apply to Selected. Alternatively, we can load this snapshot to all amplifiers simply by clicking Apply to All. If a user wishes to remove existing snapshot imported into the index or loaded onto an amplifier, this can also be done within the Preset Manager by selecting Reset. Let's now select Apply to All. The amplifier will begin to import the snapshot into its indexes, allowing up to a maximum of 50. The user will know the process is complete when the progress is shown as 100%. And the state is read as succeeded. To export the imported snapshot as a list, simply choose Export List and save it with the desired name. This is a great option if the index of total snapshots exceeds 4 or more. This allows the user to import the snapshots to other amplifiers very quickly, avoiding the process of having to import each index individually. Please note that this can only be done once a single index list is compiled. Selecting speaker presets, the user can import .spk3 files into their amplifiers to be recalled at will. On the right-hand side of the Preset Manager window, the user can search for their desired preset using brand, family, and model. In this example, let's type PowerSoft into the brand field and upload the first 4 presets by checking the boxes under the Upload column. We will now select Apply to All. The user will know the process is complete when the progress is shown as 100% and the state is read as succeeded. With the snapshot and speaker preset imported into the amplifiers, the user can now recall snapshots and presets from the front panel of the T series, snapshots from the front panel of the X series, and recall snapshots and preset from the web app for the Canali X and T series. Lastly, the user may also use the Snapshot Selector app to recall snapshots on the X series. The use of Preset Manager gives the user quick control and access to the snapshots or presets that are available on their amplifier, making ArmoníaPlus the go-to solution for importing these to their devices.